Hey guys, I've got another Beachly unboxing for you. This is their summer 2021 box, and I've already seen some spoilers, and I think it might be their best box ever. So if you aren't familiar with Beachly, it is a beach-inspired subscription box. It comes out quarterly, and it is perfect for all your water-loving needs. If you like spending time by the pool, the lake, the ocean, any body of water, you're gonna love what's inside this box. So if you want to know more about how it works, cost, all of that stuff, you can go to the link down in my description, and I have a full review that talks everything Beachly. But for now, we're gonna just unbox this thing and see what's inside. I love it already. Okay, let's start small to big. So first we have some Sunbum SPF 30, always a necessity in the summer. Can never get enough, honestly. Ooh, Patchology, it's always so hard for me to say. Patchology Resting Beach Face, Soothing Sheet Mask, and Lip Gel Kit. Oh, I love that. How cute is that packaging too? I'm so obsessed. Little jewelry box. It's a little seashell bracelet. Okay, how stinking cute is that? And it's adjustable so it can fit any wrist size. I love this. That's so fun. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like a fun tunic. Let me throw it on. Ignore my t-shirt underneath, but this is so fun. It can be like a long tunic, or it's like a perfect beach cover up. I know it looks really silly with my shirt, but we're just gonna roll with it. Okay. Oh, tropical beach blanket, and it's so soft, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love that print. Love it. And last, we've got, oh my gosh, so fun. It's a Vera Bradley cooler. That is like the perfect beach cooler. It's got zippers. It's got different straps. That is so freaking cute. So that is everything in the summer 2021 Beachly box. Seriously, so cute. I swear these boxes are getting better and better. This is by far my favorite one. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, I do have a code down in the description box where you can get a free mini box with the purchase of your first subscription, and it's filled with like $100 worth of extra goodies, so you definitely won't want to miss it. So make sure to check out that promo and the link below. And that's all I got. Thanks for watching, guys.